today is another unboxing day. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. So I ordered this one on TikTok shop. And I think 2 to 3 days before ko ma-receive. Mas mabilis compare sa Shopee. Sa Shopee medyo matagal kasi minsan. Depende sa seller kung mabilis mag-ship out. And then, ayan. So, this is what I ordered. It's an earphone, Bluetooth earphone or wireless earphone. And yung brand niya is Monster. So anyway, gusto ko sana din yung wired na earphone. Yung common earphone. Kaso nga lang, ayun. Gusto ko lang bumili ng charot. Kasi pag wired, diba, magagamit mo siya anytime, anywhere, hindi nalalobat. Yung mga ganito kasi need mo pang i-charge. Kasi nga, pag nalobat, hindi na siya magagamit. Pero, yun nga, madali siyang mabitbet kahit saan. Sorry. So, ganun din naman yung wired. Ito nga lang, ang kinaganda lang nito is, ayan, wala siyang wire. Tapos, ayan, medyo minsan hassle kasi yung wire, yung parang nakaka-istorbo siya. Charot. So, ayan, this is it. Ayan, Monster wireless earphone or Bluetooth earphone. Ayan, ito yung itsura niya, guys. So, diba? Very sosyalin. Ang lakas makayayaman ni Char. So, ayan, this one is the wireless earphone or Bluetooth earphone that I ordered. So, ayan, ito siya. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Sabi ko sa ating kanya. So, like this. Then may kabet. So, ayan. Ayan, ganyan. So, ayan, nasabit lang siya. Nasabit lang siya. So, kaya gusto ko yung ganitong style. Kasi yung iba, yung kapag pinapasok siya sa tenga, habang tumatagal siya na nasa tenga mo, sumasakit yung tenga mo. So, yung ganito, ayan, feeling ko hindi nasasakit yung tenga ko dito kasi nga, sinasabit lang siya, tapos, ayun, nasa ibabaw lang siya ng tenga mo. Pero, maririnig mo pa rin yung sounds. So, mamaya ko siya itatry sa aking phone. Kasi yung phone ko, ayan, gamit ko siya ngayon sa video na ito. Charot. So, ayan, ito ang kanyang itsura. Tada! Ang cute niya. Tapos, diba, parang sosyalin. Anyway, this is worth 513 if I'm not mistaken. Naka-sale siya nung in-order ko. Pero ang regular price niya is, I think, may S. I think, 799 or basta ganon, or almost 800. So, ayun, ang laki ng tipid. Tapos, free shipping na order ko siya. And, I'm happy with my order. So, sana, ayan, mamaya pag dinesting ko siya, sana gumagana. So, ayun, hindi ko pa siya alam kung paano gamitin. So, mamaya ako siya iti-testing. And, ayan, that's all for today's vlog. So, ito ang aking wireless earphone. Monster. This is it. Ayan, ang ganda pa yung case niya. So, pwede mo siyang bitbitin anytime, anywhere. Maliit lang. Hindi ganun kabigat. Tapos, ayan. Ayan. Ito yung kasama niya, yung charger and the manual. Yung manual na hindi naman natin laging binabasa. Charot! So, ayan, ang ganda ng box niya. And all in all, ang ganda ng product. Sana lang gumagana siya at compatible siya sa lahat ng Android or iOS device para mas okay, diba? Pero gagamitin ko to sa Android. Ayan. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next vlog.
I was waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. Waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. Was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. Waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. Like this, waiting till the sky was falling.